take a look at the chorus. I'll play it through first of all. 2, 3, 4. Nice straightforward progression there. You're starting off with a G major, same strum pattern. Then we have a D minor chord, a little bit of a jump there. You've got to kind of keep the first and second fingers in a similar shape, but drop them instead of being on the Jason strings. When you move them to the G and the top E, you're going to have a string between them. But the shape is the same, but you're just dropping back a fret and just getting a little bit more distance to allow the third finger to fret the B string. So that's the move. You can practice. Now you're going from D minor to A minor. That's quite an easy move, that one. Again, always try and practice the chord move before you play it. You know, get some kind of strategy under your fingers to enable you to make smooth and efficient chord changes. So D minor to A minor, A minor. Then just bring the third finger from the D string to the third fret A for the C chord. Drop the second and third fingers down onto the D and the G and bar with the first finger to play the F. And then a bit of a jump over to the G.